Assalamu alaikum everyone, and today I do have a surprise for you. But quickly, for those people who are watching for the first time, go to quickly to YouTube, type Adam Coins if you're watching from another source outside of YouTube, and this is how the channel looks like. If you don't find the channel, this is how they look like. And the coin I am about to talk about is TLM, and I've already made a video here. Alts Party 1 hour update. You can see so many different coins here: ADA, VET, Cake, Chili's, Mana, repo SLP as well, and you can watch some of your favorite altcoin updates here. So but we're gonna dive into TLM, yeah. And at the moment, this coin is catching my attention, and it's looking absolutely golden to potentially return double money 100%. Okay, from the current price that we are in right now for 7th of November. Okay, this is not for a later date. The current, if you're watching in the future, I don't know what the price is going to be, but right now we are at 27 cents, nearly 27, 28 cents right now. And I'm going to do a small detailed analysis, some short-term targets, some long-term and the mid-term targets, and what's possible and what's not possible as well. And when can we close our trades and what we can do based on the chart. Yeah. So yeah, the first things first, this is a symmetrical triangle, and we are breaking out of this symmetrical triangle. Do you see that? Now this symmetrical triangle, when you break out of it, it takes you back to where you formed the symmetrical triangle, and that's nearly I've put a, you know, price target of 72 cents right there, which is a safe target, but I do think it's gonna do higher. But at the moment, if it ever goes here, I'm gonna book some profits after I enter here, and that's a nice good percentage price off from, let's say, here to there. That's like 150% increase, and that's possible because we are about to enter the boom cycle. Okay, the Bitcoin is still bullish. You haven't seen that huge big green candles just yet. Okay, and yeah, so I'm gonna tell you a very long-term target at the moment. Okay, I'm gonna take the top there to the bottom right here, and I'm just gonna zoom in very quickly, and the 0.618, yeah, is at 3414. Do you see that, of a longer Fibonacci retracement? Now it does have some work to do to climb up here. It moves up and down. It really left to move like this, and this and this, but it is moving, in a wavy form. And whenever you're going to cross the 34 cents, uh, cross it, back test it, hold it, then continue, then that automatically gives you the hope that you're going to actually reach the 1.618, which is the $4.77. Now this one, I'm not gonna say it's possible in 2 months. It could be. Anything can happen in crypto. Okay, this is crypto. In 2 months it can be possible, but I do think it's a much more long-term forecast. For me, maybe take multi-year. Okay, some few years for the best prediction. Okay, but could it happen in a bull run? It could, because if you actually reach nearly the 70, 72, cents here, then what percentage is this? What percentage is this? 500%. Yeah, 500% can happen even in a month. Take Solana, for example, went from whooping $1 to 215 now. It's nearly inching to the $300 as well. So anything can happen. Okay, anything can happen. But in the midterm, yeah, 72 cents. So what about the short term? What about the, like, in the next 1 week? For example, in the next 1 week, if you're a person who like to, take the trade and close it and run away, with the trade, which I normally don't do. Sometimes I do, but I like to hold something in the mid for the midterm, and in here, yeah, very quickly, I do recognize a pattern in the daily. So I'm gonna show you that pattern, and I do recognize that we do have a potential ascending wedge right there. Do you see this? I'm gonna zoom in for more details right there. Yep, center this one, and from here you do have the trend lines. Take there and here. Yep, so you do have some few touches there, touch right there, touch right there, and the touches continue. Even we have another touch right there, and we have some few touch here, another touch here, another touch here. Now what happened here is you try to break out, fail the retest, try to break out, fail the retest, try to break out, fail the retest. I do think right now we're going to break out, hold the retest, and we're going to move towards the upside. Now, what's the technical target of breaking out of the ascending triangle? You take the top there to the bottom, and you can already see this takes you nearly the 36 cents, but I do think it's going to go to 36 cents. And we can use the fibs as well for the short term, and this was your local top to the local bottom right there, you know, the wave here. And yeah, this was a corrective wave. Do you see that? That was a corrective wave. At the moment, yeah, that takes you nearly the 1.272. Do you see that? And equally, you're gonna cross the 0.618. Okay, cross the 0.618, and you're good to even go nearly the 42 cents also. Okay, so the first target is 37, the second target is going to be 42 cents in here. I'm going to drop a horizontal line for the 42 cents as well, because that's Fibonacci target. Okay, based on the fibs, that's the target it can go to after reaching 36. Now, will it go to the 42 in one day? No, not in one day, but I do see the behavior of TLM right here is something like this. It likes to go up, come down, go up, come down, go up, make another wave, and I do think it's coiling up, and the apex is until 10 of November here, maximum time, or 9 of November. Break out, another wave, then come down, and you can fight some support right there, maybe come here, bounce back, or you can even go lower to test the ascending triangle support there, and then keep moving towards the upside. So that's the short term and the mid term as well, and I do think we're doing an amazing job here. There's one more last clue in here as well. I'm going to show you this one. I'm going to actually bring back the Corona dump. Okay, I'm going to take the Corona top there to the bottom. Not a Corona dump, sorry, September dump. Oh my gosh, sometimes I really forget all of these things. At the moment, guys, look, you are holding the 0.618 like a boss. Do you see this? You are holding the 0.618, and that's absolutely golden. And the 0.618, you can already see there's a huge support right there, and you break out of the ascending triangle, and from here that takes you, if you actually cross the 0.618, it's going to take you to the 1.618, which is the 79 cents, and that's where the blue line also lies. Do you see that? 79 cents or 80 cents. And from there we might have a small correction, maybe go back down to the 55 cents, and people are going to lose their mind. Oh no, we bought at 7, it's going down here, but they don't know. That's the reason why technical analysis is so important. At least you do get a clue what can happen in the future. Yeah. So this is another target I just showed you. On the daily as well, I'm going to turn on the EMAs, and there's something we call as a bullish cross. Okay, look at this. This just automatically means buy. Okay, buy and hold, and just enjoy the profits later. That's all I can say. Like, hey, do you want free money? Get in there. That's what this cross means. Okay, simple as that. And I'm gonna show you the bear cross where you sell. This is the bear cross. Sell it, I'm going down. Buy it, I'm going up. Simple theory. Okay, so I do think that's I'm gonna also bring the volume as well to end this video. I'm gonna show you one more clue. Yep, so you can also see that the volume ever since July, the near end of July, until you didn't come to the October, we didn't have such a huge volume ever, and that really means that this is about to do something amazing, because the last time you saw volume, look what happened. We went up, went nearly up. Okay, and this time we're finding that volume again. Yes, it has been decreasing, but I do think it's gonna start pumping. The bulls are gonna step in. Bitcoin is also looking bullish. I'm gonna come with an update as well, and I do think this is looking golden for a potential 2 to 3x return in this month. Now, do you want to buy it? That's up to you. This is not a financial advice, but I'm just saying that it looks like a good buy to me, and I'm investing personally on it, and I do think it's gonna give a good profits in the next coming month. And yeah, if you want to buy. If people ask me how much should I invest, dude, only invest what you can afford to lose. Okay, I don't want you to say, oh no, Adam Coins, he told me a coin is gonna move towards the upside. No, and I sold my wife and my house and my kids and everything, and I put it. No, don't do that kind of stuff. okay? If you can afford to lose $10, invest $10 only. Don't invest any more than that, okay? If it's that something you can bear the loss and it doesn't bring a difference to your life, just invest that much. Why are you trying to jump with big money? Never do that. That's not smart, okay? That's not smart. Now the bear scenario for me is when you start to lose the 0.15. If you ever see TLM coming down even here to 21, that's normal. In crypto, that's normal. It's gonna bounce back. But if you start losing this level, which is the 0.15, if you're investing, by the way, that's negative. That's absolutely bad, but I don't see that. I don't see that. Based on charts, it's looking to continue towards the upside. So I do hope you're gonna enjoy this video, and if you invest, you're gonna get something out of it. And yeah, keep an eye on the channel, guys. Keep an eye. I'm gonna sometimes in between upload some few coins that are actually looking good for a buy. So I'm gonna see you with the next video. Thank you so much for watching this one. Allah Hafiz.